start the inspection of Prithviraj Chauhan Education Center, Kanpur, on 28th September 11:45.
फाइल अप करवाओ उनको।
Sir, the recording is on. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which document required, ma'am?
Pardon?
Which documents you required? Which thing I will show you?
You have to start from the entrance, sir, from the gate entrance.
Okay, ma'am. At the building side, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the order in the guidelines.
Okay, ma'am. I just take this laptop at the gate side area.
Yeah.
And just show you.
Gate, parking and other open area, lab, laboratories, library, toilets, classrooms, other rooms. Then we come to the documents last.
Okay, ma'am. Can we start from document, then after we will go through the building and laboratories and other part also, ma'am?
Okay.
Or we shall start from building area?
That is the order they have given.
Okay, there is the document, no, ma'am?
Yeah, Madhu ma'am, is it okay? We start with the documents.
Yeah, no problem, ma'am. No
Okay,
problem.
Sir. Okay, we begin.
Ma'am, Singerji, please. Ma'am, we have a list of mandatory disclosures. I just show you the previous affiliation letter here.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this one is an affiliation letter. You just go through with this one.
Not so clear.
Ma'am, it's clear? It is visible to you?
Get it closer, sir. Get it closer.
Ma'am.
Yeah, now it's clear.
Now,
it's the first affiliation.
Yeah,
okay.
affiliation.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Up to 2000.
And there are, ma'am, there are 4 to 5 pages.
Yeah.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Not clear. Without
sir, put it straight. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So that main sheet is okay, first page.
Okay.
That is the extension date.
This one is here, ma'am, the first page.
Yeah, up to 2017, 31/3/2017. Yeah, the next one.
Can I turn the page, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. That's okay.
The next one.
Yeah, that's okay, sir. This is all the general information.
Okay, ma'am. This one is the last page.
Oh, yeah.
Now I show you the certificate which we will get through the CBSE. This one is a certificate.
Your affiliation number.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay. Second, next one.
Okay, ma'am. Now we have, I'm just going to show you, ma'am, the trust registration certificate, ma'am.
Yeah.
Just take this file. Original, just show it to us. Ma'am, this one is original. Trust and society registration.
Okay, okay. Name of the trust, sir?
Moti Singh Samajik Vikas Sansthan.
Okay, correct. Trust address?
That is, ma'am, Prithviraj Chauhan Education Center.
Village and post office?
Bhauti Pratappur, ma'am.
Kanpur Nagar.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Trust registration certificate? That's what you showed me.
Ma'am, this one is the trust registration rag.
Okay. Can you tell me the registration number?
Yeah, ma'am. That is K-31305.
Okay, sir.
And ma'am, there is one more number, that is renewal number. That is K-481.
Okay, sir. Then
Is it
where
okay,
is
ma'am?
yeah, that's okay. The next document?
That is, ma'am, I just show you the NOC, which we will get from the NOC.
Okay. NOC
यहाँ खड़े हो डॉक्यूमेंट तुमने लगाए सिंगर देंगे पाएंगे. Ma'am, this was the NFC certificate which we will get when the school will be open.
Yeah. That's also from CBSE, no?
Yes. No, ma'am. This one is from Uttar Pradesh government.
That is
It
DEO?
has to be from the state.
State NOC.
This.
But Sandeep sir, there is no RT recognition.
Ma'am, we just give you another one. RT recognition we have completed, ma'am. Here we have a affiliation document of class 1 to 5.
Just a
Is it
minute.
visible to you?
Visible. Let me read it.
This one is for 1 to 5, and then we have another one for 6 to 8 again.
Yes, sir.
This one is, ma'am, 6 to 8.
That class is not visible. Class.
Oh, no, no. I just show it to you, ma'am. During the printout, it is mentioned in a bottom area.
Okay.
Here. I just closer it to you, ma'am. The complete instruction guideline is also there.
Okay.
Sandeep sir, could you give us the UDICE number?
Yes, ma'am, we have. UDICE number.
It will be on your official document written number.
Just a ma'am. I just give it to you. Ma'am, that is 093411057110.
Okay. Got it?
Got it, ma'am?
The class is running up to 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then location of the school, sir?
Location, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, that is in Bhauti Pratappur. Mandatory disclosure. यहाँ एक paper.
This is in the municipal limits?
No, ma'am. It's in a Pradhani area. Actually, the Sarpanch and Pradhans are here. Actually, it belongs to in a city area, but
Yeah.
the area is in a Pradhan, village area counted in a city area.
Okay.
Nagar Nigam is not applicable here.
Okay, okay. But they are given in the municipal limits of cities within population exceeding 15 lakhs. Is that correct? Population is exceeding 15 lakhs in that municipality?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Kanpur is a huge city, ma'am.
Yeah, okay.
Then can I show you, ma'am, building safety certificate?
Just a minute. Is the school situated on a single continuous plot of land
Yes, ma'am.
bounded all sides by boundary wall that we will see?
Yes, you have to.
What's the height of the wall?
So both side of wall is covered and the back side is also there. I just show you in a video. In
Yeah.
the front area, we have our trees of Ashokas, and another side, I just show you the transformer side. And the back area is a gully.
Yeah, it
Building
is
is
about,
complete. Building is completely covered with the boundary walls.
okay, 6 feet.
And so
Yeah,
we'll
ma'am.
also see the land paper.
Okay, ma'am. I just shared. I just show you land paper. ये भी निकालो, ये.
It's coming only.
Ma'am, this one is a land paper which is occupied by the Moti Singh Samajik Vikas Sansthan.
Okay.
Okay, and then after Prithviraj Chauhan Education Center will take this land on rent agreement for 25 years. I just here I am showing you the rent agreement. Original rent agreement is here.
Okay. Below downward,
Yeah, ma'am.
the details of the front page.
Ma'am, this one is here.
Oh, okay. For 25 years.
Yeah, ma'am.
Starting date and ending date is there.
Starting date is, ma'am, that is 10/2010,
Ah,
and that will end in 35, ma'am.
okay, sir.
What is not mentioned the ending date. I'm just searching the ending date.
Ah,
Some more papers are there, no? It is clearly mentioned, ma'am, ki it is applicable till 25 years, but the end date is not mentioned.
no problem, sir. But they have given it as a leased land.
Yeah, ma'am.
Is it is leased, no? Not rented.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So
Here
they
are the
are,
original.
there is a lease deed for it. This is the one.
Yeah, this one is a lease deed, and this one is the original paper of ma'am land, which is handled by the Moti Singh Samajik Sansthan.
All right. From the board they have written it is from 2008 to 2038.
2000. Yeah, ma'am.
38.
38.
Moti Singh Samaj Vikas Sansthan is the name of the owner. Or
No,
maybe-
ma'am. This one is a society. Name of the
Society?
owner is Mr. Dipen Singh Chauhan.
Okay, so he is the society.
Yeah, this one is a society.
Okay.
Motin Singh Samajik Sansthan is a society.
All right. Okay. Is there any public road or canal through the or HT line or passing through the land?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Campus area, total area
That is, ma'am.
in
Yeah.
square meter.
Yeah, that is 4099 point something square meter, ma'am.
Yeah,
Land
4,100 approximate, rounded up.
Yeah, ma'am.
School and playground are in the same campus, sir? Single
Yes,
campus?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Numbers of room and area.
What about staff details?
Ma'am, we have numbers of staff due to corona. There is some changes, but we have at least nearly 27 people, and there are 8 to 9 PGTs and 10 TGTs. PRTs are there.
Okay. What's the strength of the school?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the strength of the school?
Strength, ma'am.
Yeah.
That is the ma'am. In the last year, we have 430.
Okay.
Sir, ma'am, will we be asking the number of strength per, class? Grade 1, how many? Do we want to ask that?
There is nothing to be filled in that details.
Okay.
Everything is the website.
No, it says the, student detail, it says, class intake 40, total number of students 15, verified and found correct.
Student detail. Student detail class wise. It doesn't matter. Can I
Because
tell you?
number,
Can I tell you the numbers of student in a classes?
Yes, sir.
no, Augustine ma'am was asking how many PGTs and how many TGTs.
Ma'am, there are 9 PGTs and 10 TGTs, 8 PRTs.
Pardon?
Ma'am, 9 PGTs and 10 TGTs and PRTs, 8.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
27, correct.
Class strength, ma'am?
I think that's okay.
That's okay, ma'am.
Is it, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am. Can I show you the next document?
Yes, sir.
Building safety. Ma'am, this one is a building safety certificate.
Yes, sir. Dated 28th May 2021. Is it not? Correct, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Augustine ma'am, there is no validity.
That's for 1 year. Yeah, it will expire next May 2022. They don't write the extent date.
We have one more visit, ma'am, in 2018. That document is also with us. If
Yeah,
you
that
want to see, then we will show it to you.
no need. Present one only is necessary, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Then after, we have a ma'am fire safety certificate. Ma'am, this one is a fire safety.
That's also in May 21. All right, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Then drinking water, sanitation.
Drinking water, ma'am. This one is here.
Yeah, here only it is now 1 month expired, no? No, 2
Yeah, ma'am.
months. You.
Actually, we have applied for new document
Yeah.
due to the election in our area, Pradhani and other word thing. This document is a little bit pending. We will get it within 2 or 3 days.
Do you have the copy of application submitted?
Right now we don't have, ma'am. That is
Ah,
already given to them.
okay, okay. Okay, sir. Then what is the next one again?
Ma'am, DOE letter, ma'am.
Yeah.
Here is a DOE letter.
Yeah, DOE data yes. Recognition.
Yeah, ma'am.
When is it dated, sir? Date of issue?
Uh, 23/6/2021.
Okay.
Can you show this document, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Bring it. Yeah, yeah. Clear, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Is that over?
Ma'am, this one is the fee structure of a school.
Yeah. The first part is,
Yeah, ma'am.
what is the first part, fee structure? Then again, second column, is it all different?
Actually, ma'am, there is a registration fee, admission fee, and annual charge in the first part, and in the second part we have there is a monthly fee, term charge, lab and art charge is there.
Okay. Then you have conveyance also.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's separate. Okay.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, visible, clear.
Done, ma'am?
Okay, done.
Okay. Then, ma'am, here is annual academic calendar.
Academic calendar. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Not so clear. Is it clear to you, ma'am? Padu, ma'am?
Ma'am, now it is visible.
Yeah. Just hold on.
Yeah, please close this fan.
Yeah. Your academic year is from June, April.
That is
You have
no,
given
ma'am. From April, from 1st of April, ma'am.
1st April too. Okay.
Ma'am, then SMC. Ma'am, here is the SMC.
SMC.
Madhu, ma'am, I change this SMC and get the consent from KB principals.
Yeah, thank you. I know that. Thank you.
And I just show you the late consent letter of the consent letter here. That is in registers. Now it is up to mark. There are 50% ladies, 2 principals of KBs.
And what's total number? Only 10 SMC members?
That is, ma'am, 14.
14. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Here is the second page. We have this one. Ma'am, this one is a concern. This one is a concern letter which we will get from the KV's principals.
Okay, okay.
And this one is another one. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Parent teacher. Here is, ma'am, one more committee list, that is Parent Teacher Association.
Okay. Just scroll it up, sir.
Ma'am.
Manager, treasurer, member, parents, other teacher. Who is this member? Only two parents are there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Other member is who is that? Staff or?
From there are few members from the management committee, principals are there, and 2 teachers from school, and the parents are there.
Okay.
There are total 10 members.
10.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And this one is a result of 10th and 12th last 3 years.
Augustine, ma'am,
Yes, sir.
you ask for the document and Sandeep sir will show, because otherwise you have to keep, one has to keep on keeping a record. So you ask, so he'll show. It's
Yeah,
it's
almost,
easier
yeah.
to keep a
Yeah,
track, ma'am.
everything arranged. No, let him present it, ma'am. No problem. It's getting over now, no?
Okay, because I have to keep shifting the pages.
Is that you have kept everything ready, no, sir? You
Yeah,
show
ma'am.
it.
Yeah, ma'am.
You show it in
I just
order.
show you to everything.
Yeah, yeah. Let it go now.
Okay, ma'am.
Now continue, sir.
Ma'am, this one is a result.
Yeah, yeah. 2017, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20.
Last 3 results of class 10th, ma'am.
Yeah.
And then after, here is the result of class 12th.
12. Okay. We saw it. Okay.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Last year's 19,
Yeah.
20, not here.
Yeah, 1920 is here, ma'am, in last.
Oh. What are the streams you have in +2?
That is right now, ma'am, we have a 49, but in our last year, we have a 46 student in a class.
Courses?
Yeah,
Science?
of course.
Which only science?
No, ma'am, we have commerce also.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, next document, please tell me which document I have to show you. Actually, the thing which we have listed on mandatory disclosure at our site, that every document I just show it to you.
Staff details.
Staff, right, ma'am. The staff detail. The staff list. Yesterday you scanned na staff detail. आपने कल स्कैन किया था पूरा.
After this, we will have faculty interaction, sir. Is the
After
faculty
that,
after this?
okay, ma'am.
Arrange
Faculties are in their classrooms, ma'am. Can I call them one by one, or we just move in a classes and you directly taught there?
That's okay. We can move to them. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I
Madam.
call one by one here?
I think, Augustine ma'am, if sir can take us to the classes, we'll come to know teaching, learning happening, and we
Yeah.
can, talk to the teacher there only.
Yes, sir. We'll go to the classroom.
Ma'am, here is a staff list, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. And
Another page
sir,
is here.
how many B.Ed teacher trained teachers?
Ma'am, I couldn't count that one.
Okay. Do you have all of them trained teachers? All trained teachers?
Ma'am, one or two are not.
Okay. Okay. That's fine. So let's go to the class and talk to the teacher, and I'll write down the name also then.
Okay, ma'am. इसको हटा लीजिए छोड़ दीजिए इसको ड्रॉप कर दीजिए चलिए चलते हैं moving the classes.
I think one primary, one middle school, one senior, two senior block.
Okay, ma'am. We have a ma'am single block on the ground floor and first floor only.
Yeah, no, any block means any teacher.
Any teacher from each session.
We are in class 5 and English teacher is here. Ma'am,
Hello,
English
ma'am.
teacher is here.
Hello, ma'am. What's your name?
Swati.
Swati.
Swati Tiwari. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, Swati.
Tiwari.
Since how long have you been here?
I am working here from March 2021.
Okay. And you're a trained teacher?
Yeah. I have done DLED.
Okay. So what is it in grade 5 that you do as an activity? Could I just see? Is there an activity-oriented class? Or how do you teach? Okay.
I
Okay,
think there
sir,
is
let's go to the next one. Yeah, let's go to the next one. Otherwise, you can come back in case there's an internet problem. Then you can probably call 2-3 teachers in your office.
I think that otherwise our time is also getting exceeded.
Yeah,
No? So,
yeah,
Sandeep,
you're right,
go to
ma'am.
class.
You're right.
Totally stuck.
Sir, you can go back to your office and you can call 2 teachers, especially the senior block. That's all.
Sir, there is a range problem, so you come back to the office. No problem. We come back to the office and then call them to the office. We'll meet them there. There's better connection, no? Yes, yeah. We will move it fast. I think he's has left now. Admit him.
Ma'am, you have to allow them inside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Another teacher from higher section, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Now audible, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, I just call one by one here. Swati, please come. Ma'am, required document? Ma'am, please sit here. After that, you just show it. Priya, ye chair idhar karo. Please sit here.
They can show the document also, original documents.
Hello, ma'am. She will take at least 1 minute to get their document.
Okay. Those who are ready can come.
Okay, next issues are ready, ma'am.
And then please call them.
Ask everybody to take their original documents. Take this. Just show it to closer to camera. Closer to camera.
These are my DLED documents.
Okay.
What
so-
subject, Swati ma'am? Which subject you've done your B.Ed from? English and?
I have done DLED, and there are
Okay.
all subjects are compulsory in DLED.
Okay. And are you aware of the new education policy?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is it based on? Okay, never mind. Next.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Next.
Vejo. Priya, assemble here at least two more. Yeah, inside the room.
I think, Augustine ma'am, we can have 2 or 3 teachers
Sit
together
down.
in that frame. They can come and we can just talk
Take this
because
phone.
it says 10 minutes interaction with the teachers.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Yeah, Augustine ma'am, are you asking?
Yeah, what's your qualification?
My qualification BTech plus B.Ed.
BTech plus B.Ed.
Yes, ma'am.
What are subject you handle?
Ma'am, I will handle the TGT of computer subject.
Okay.
TGT computer.
PGT computers.
Yes.
Okay. When did you
So
join
what
the
do you have in your 11th, 12th? Is it IP or computer science? Sorry, Augustine, ma'am.
Yeah. Continue, ma'am.
Ma'am, computer science.
C plus computer science is proper.
Pardon,
Okay.
थोड़ा सा इधर करो।
And how many children do you have? Students, how many students in the subject?
Ma'am, 9th to 10th, almost 55 students in 10th and 35 students in 9th.
So
Because
in the 10th also you're doing computer application
yes, ma'am, computer
or
application.
you're doing IT. It's a
IT,
skill
yes.
based subject.
Yes, ma'am.
आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं?
मैम 6 to 10th में मैं कंप्यूटर पढ़ा रहा हूँ मैम।
क्या पढ़ा कंप्यूटर बेटा? चलो ठीक है 8 तक तो कंप्यूटर साइंस होता है 9 10 it becomes either IT or computer application.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Ma'am, next one you interact. I won't talk in between.
I will leave.
Okay, sir. All the best.
I shall. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Come, Deepika. Sit. Take this.
You don't need, no need to use ma'am earphone. You can speak.
Okay, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Your name, please.
I'm Deepika Dinadi. I'm a teacher of class 3rd.
You have your DEd?
No, I didn't complete it, but I'm waiting for the result.
Okay. What do you handle?
Class 3rd EVS.
EVS. Okay. When did you join the school?
Starting of this session.
This session. Okay. Good. All the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir, from the higher secondary, one science teacher and one commerce teacher.
Lakshmi.
Ma'am, you can. Yeah, good afternoon. Madhu, ma'am.
Ma'am, you want me to? Okay, I'll. Yeah, beta, what's your name? Introduce yourself and let me know something about your subjects.
Okay, ma'am, my name is Lakshmi Singh, and I'm here as a music teacher, an activity teacher also.
Music and?
Ma'am, music teacher, an activity teacher also.
What are your, are you qualified as a music teacher?
Yes, ma'am, I'm qualified my B.Ed for, ma'am, as a music. Ma'am, music से मैंने अपना B.Ed वगैरह complete किया, like ma'am, Alankar, it's called Alankar. I'm from Maharashtra University.
You don't have music as a B.Ed subject as such in a theory for junior classes. Do you have music in senior classes, PGT?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm here only, ma'am, first to 8th classes.
Senior teachers.
Sorry, ma'am.
Hey, better not you. I want to meet the senior teachers. How many years since you have started coming to this school?
Ma'am, since 3 years, ma'am.
Okay, and are you getting your salary as per the grades?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, should I go?
What?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Sandeep sir, can we meet two senior teachers?
Please.
Yes, ma'am, introduce yourself, give us your qualifications and number of years service and what is it that you're teaching?
Ma'am, my name is Priyanka Singh. I am here as a SST teacher, TJT, and I have completed my B.Ed from CSGN University, Kanpur. I have qualified CTET.
What classes are you teaching?
I am teaching 6th to 10th. I am TGT teacher here.
You're teaching grade 10 also?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the internal marks that are going for grade 10? How many marks are going as a portfolio?
Ma'am, 20 marks are there.
And first term, what all are you including in the internal marks?
Ma'am, I am including 20 marks.
That okay? That's
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sandeep sir, someone from the higher secondary +1, 2. That way completed the last one.
Please.
Ma'am, introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Introduce yourself with
My
your.
name is Poonam Chatterjee. I qualified MA and also completed NTT. I am taking class 2 and
Which class?
class 2.
Class 2. Okay.
Yes.
We want to meet somebody from higher secondary +1, +2 teachers. Sandeep sir. Ma'am,
Hello,
that's
ma'am.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Introduce yourself quickly.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kalpana Tiwari. I am a drawing and activity teacher, and my qualification BA and NTT. BA completed from Kanpur University and NTT completed from Guru Nanak Inter College.
Which are the classes you are handling?
Ma'am, 1 to 8. I
Okay.
teach in class 1 to 8.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Madhu ma'am, shall we wind up? Sandeep sir. Sir, introduce yourself. Plus, introduce yourself with your qualification and subject.
Yeah, ma'am, I am B.K. Sharma, and
Hello.
I had completed my MSc since year 1993,
The one last one.
and I am
Okay.
teaching mathematics
From
here
GT, ma'am.
from since 2014.
What's your subject, sir? Sorry, 1 minute.
Mathematics,
Mathematics. So, how long are you there?
2014 since.
Oh. Madhu ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am.
shall we conclude with interacting with teachers?
Yeah, no, sir.
Yeah.
What is it that you're doing in your classes for a new education policy? What is it that you're introducing? I'm
It's
quite
very good.
obsessed with new education.
I think so, ma'am. It is very good policy, and it may be interactive to many students.
Yeah, it's so what is can you give one example, like what is it that you did or you're planning to do with your children? You're teaching grade 12 also, no?
Yeah, ma'am. जैसे MCQ based questions, MCQ
Yeah.
based question I am preparing in this time because the first term session is totally based on MCQ questions.
Okay, yes, you're right. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
I think it's enough, ma'am.
Yes, it's enough. we move to the first part of the inspection, that is boundary, main gate, parking and other area, laboratories, library, toilets, classrooms, staff
Okay,
room,
ma'am.
activity rooms. Okay.
Okay, teachers, please move in your classes.
Our video should not exceed more than 2 hours. Only
Please
half,
remove this cup.
half
Both
an hour
classes.
more. So we'll first go through the classrooms, lab, library, etc. Then come out of the campus to the campus. Okay.
Start moving, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. From the gate side, from the gate, we just start from the gate side, right?
Okay.
Is it okay? आइए वहाँ से.
Ma'am, he's already sent us the videos of all these things.
Yeah, yeah, send us. But we need it in the inspection video also, no?
Okay, ma'am. Here you are seeing the school name. The gate is here.
Yeah, name is
Visible
not
to
visible. School name not visible.
ma'am. Now it is visible.
No.
Ma'am, now it is visible.
No.
Ma'am, actually sunlight is very high, ma'am.
Oh.
Now it is visible, ma'am.
Only the gate is seen.
Okay. Now.
No. Go higher, little more up.
I just take some more distance. Is it okay, ma'am?
No, sir. Camera has to be raised. Ah, yeah. Oh.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Little more raise it. Below. Ah, okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now.
Here is a boundary, ma'am. Just outer
Yeah.
side boundary. I just show you the outer boundary.
Okay.
Nearly, ma'am, more than 150 feet.
Okay.
Is it visible to you, ma'am?
Visible. Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am. I just show you the another side of the boundary of the school. Ma'am, this one is the another side of boundary.
Okay.
Is
Clear.
it okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Here is a gate, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then after the parking area.
Okay.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, there are a few rooms. Transport managers and storage, the school kitchen and canteen is here.
Okay.
Is it okay, ma'am?
All right.
Okay, ma'am. And then I just show you the backside boundary of the school.
Okay.
Here, ma'am, the backside, the gully and the boundary. Is it okay, ma'am?
All right. Okay.
Can we back in our washrooms?
Yes. Playground, sport playground.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute. Ma'am, this one is the area. We just show you.
Okay.
Right now, games are, ma'am, completely stopped as per the government guideline.
Yeah.
So little bit the grounds are grassy more and more. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay, sir.
Okay, we just show you the corridors and the washrooms, water area.
Drinking water.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Ma'am, this one is a washroom in the ground floor. Boys washroom, ma'am.
Okay.
It's okay, ma'am? Can
Yeah,
I show you more?
toilets, only one.
Yeah, ma'am. No, ma'am. We have two boys toilet and two girls toilet.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the side we have a water area.
Okay. Drinking water.
Yeah, ma'am. Here is a purifier, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this one is the corridors.
Okay. The fire safety equipment.
Yeah, ma'am. I just show you during the moment. This one is our office area, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Here are the fire cylinders. This one is our exam cell, ma'am,
Okay, sir.
in the ground area. Then after the staff room,
Yeah.
this one is another cylinder for fire safety. And
Okay.
the boards. This one is, ma'am, class 5.
Okay, sir. Inside, one glass inside.
Yeah, this one is class 5, ma'am. Then after here we have the class 4 in sequence. Another cylinder we have here, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Then we are passing from class 3 and
Are there
2.
students today? You have arranged students today?
Yeah, ma'am. Today we have students in classrooms.
You have opened school.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, today visit is planned, so I just opened the,
Okay.
ma'am, the class first. Here we have an activity room, ma'am.
Please show.
Good morning. Sit down, everybody. Here we have the projectors, ma'am. Let's see, projectors, computers, everything is here, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am?
It's okay, sir. Little clarity is less. Proceed.
Can I show you? Can I open the gate, ma'am? Please open the gate. Okay, ma'am. Now it is visible.
No. Video, since it is moving, no, it is not clear. Maybe you should move slow.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to in chemistry lab.
Okay.
This one is, ma'am, assembly area.
Yeah, assembly area.
We have a chemistry lab, bio lab, and physics lab in upstairs, ma'am.
Composite.
Yeah, ma'am.
Lab.
This, ma'am, please. This one is the girls' toilet in a ground floor.
Yeah.
And I just show you the things. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, toilet area. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, another side water, drinking water area.
Okay. Go to other labs, sir. Lab.
Yeah, ma'am. We are moving in chemistry lab right now. Okay, this one is our chemistry lab.
Okay. Since we saw it, we move to the physics lab.
Which lab, ma'am?
Physics, biology, computer.
Okay, ma'am. Open this too. Ma'am, this one is a bio lab.
Okay.
Here we have a bio lab.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay, then I'm just moving in physics lab. Here, ma'am, physics lab.
Okay.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay.
Here are the equipments. Is it
Okay.
visible to you? Is it okay, ma'am?
Computer lab.
I just show you the library, ma'am, now.
Okay, sir. Library.
Here we have a library, ma'am. Librarian.
Yes.
And the books.
Seating arrangement.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Not clear, sir. That shelf.
Okay, I just wait here.
Yeah.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
Okay. This one is a corridor. Ma'am, 6 to 10 classes is here, ma'am. And I'm just showing you the computer lab.
Okay, sir. Is there a register? Stock register?
Stop this. I just show you in the ground area, ma'am. We assemble all the register in office area.
Yeah, we need to see that later.
Surely, ma'am. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
Okay, I just show you some more labs, music lab and optional music room and
Indoor game, is there indoor game facility?
I just show you, ma'am.
And is there inside auditorium inside?
Yeah, auditorium. No, ma'am, we don't have auditorium. We have a huge room, but auditorium is not there.
Yes,
Ma'am, this one is another washroom for girls.
Okay.
And one more washroom in the opposite side of the building for boys.
Okay.
Ma'am, here, this one is a music room, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Here we have arranged the indoor game facilities.
For?
Indoor games, ma'am.
Indoor games. Okay, sir.
Yeah, gaming equipments, ma'am, bats, ball, stumps, caroms, chess.
What games you've got?
Okay, ma'am. Then we have another lab here, ma'am. That is composite lab.
Okay.
Can we move another lab, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last one is ma'am math lab. Here, math lab is here, ma'am. Equipments are on table. Is it visible to you, ma'am?
Visible, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Can we move in office area?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഇഷ്യൂ ഇതിന്റെ 2020 ഒന്നല്ലേ ഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്യുന്നേ അതെന്തായാലും നമ്മൾ ഇഷ്യൂ ചെയ്യുമ്പോ എപ്പോഴാണ്
Okay, ma'am. Now we are in office again.
Madhu ma'am, is anything missed out?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I think they've done a good job with their lab activities and rooms and all activities. Very nice.
Yeah.
Have we left out anything? I don't think so, ma'am. I'm going through the report. Details.
I think stock register is not shown. Stock register.
Yeah. You had asked him. He said he's showing.
Priya, just a stock register of labs and our stock register both.
Library.
Library, ma'am, each and everything I just show you to you. Library registers, sorry. Accession register, teacher issuing register, student register, and call somebody to get the lab registers. Just give it to me here. Switch बंद कर दिया क्या? चल रहे? Ma'am, here we have a SSN register for library.
Okay.
And that is already filled, ma'am. I just show you to you in a closer mode.
Okay, sir.
How many books in total do you have, sir?
Ma'am, 5,000 plus.
Okay, good.
This one is, ma'am, another SSN register here. One more. Actually, two more. Ma'am, these are the SSN registers.
Okay.
Teacher issue register. Ma'am, here the teacher issue register for library.
Okay.
And teach student. Ma'am, these are the student issue register.
Just last page, please show.
Just a minute, ma'am. Is it visible to you, ma'am?
Yeah, visible. Yes, sir.
Few more registers, ma'am.
Science lab registers.
News, ma'am, these are the register for newspapers and magazines.
Okay. Periodicals.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Lab stock
Justin,
register. Just show your own stock register and lab stock register.
I'm going through the details, and it says total number of sites of school 2, And Sandeep sir said there is only one. So there is a difference here, and also number of auditoriums sir has sent to the board already uploaded, which is one. And sir said that we don't have a auditorium.
Ma'am, we have a huge room. During the filling of OSS, we have shows that room as an auditorium. I just show you an
Okay.
activity.
Okay, I agree. But what about total number of sites of school? Why have you mentioned two when you ma'am said, Augustine ma'am said that it is on one single land plot. So you said yes. यहाँ पे आपने दो लिखी हुई हैं.
Ma'am, in OSS report, ma'am.
In the infrastructure details sent by you, it is two.
Okay. No, ma'am, we have single detail. There is some mistake. We have a single land that is 1 point something acre.
So,
land detail मुझे show करो.
That I think, Augustine ma'am, you will have to review the original document again.
Actually, they had shown it is single land.
But
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
he is mentioned two, then we'll have
Yes,
to put it correct value if the school's data is found incorrect,
detail and
then we'll have to
rules.
put. So this is, Augustine ma'am, when you open the infrastructure details, you will find the first point, total number of sites is.
अच्छा, अरे room detail यार तुमने बनाया room and building detail बनाई थी. Building detail बनाई थी कहाँ है?
Sandeep sir,
Yeah, ma'am.
do you have a primary and a secondary block separately on two separate sites?
No, ma'am. We have room size are same, and we have a single land area. Yesterday we discussed, ma'am, कि there is 1,000 acre. That we just clarified that is just a 1.013 acre, and in a square meter that is nearly 4099.46 square meter. I just show it to you here, ma'am.
That's clear.
Yeah,
only
that's okay. Ma'am has checked it. Ma'am has
Okay.
checked. She is a senior lady.
Anything else, ma'am, required?
Do you have CCTV cameras?
Yeah, ma'am. We have, ma'am, 40 cameras in our school. From outside of the gate, from outside of the gate, every classroom. I'll just show you the demo in our TV. Is it here, ma'am? Is it visible to you, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This one is a, ma'am, single DVR for 16. Then we have two more DVRs from one is another 16 and another one is 8.
Transport facility. What is the transport facility you have, sir?
Ma'am, we have two buses. We own two buses and 5 vans we have hired from private vendors.
Okay.
Yes. Where is the strong room, Sandeep sir?
The strong room for camera, ma'am.
It says you have filled in. Does the school have a strong room? आपने yes लिखा है. And I would also want to know the ramp for physically handicapped.
Yeah, ma'am. That I will show you. Ramp for physical handicap.
No, you did not put it in the video also.
Oh, ma'am. Yes, I just forget it, and I just right now I just show you.
Just show me the ramp. That's it. And अगर बहुत time लग रहा है तो आप
No,
किसी को
ma'am.
बोलिए
It's just
आप
take.
picture
It
खींच
just
के
take.
ले आए.
No, ma'am. It's just take 30 seconds. Here we have, ma'am. Look at here.
To the entrance.
Ma'am.
Ram at the entrance.
Is it okay, ma'am? Can I show you
Okay,
again?
okay, okay. Okay, yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir, that's okay. Yeah, sir, it's fine. It's fine.
Madhu ma'am, anything left?
Not that I can see, ma'am. I think he sent us good videos also, and today the toilet had the door also.
Yeah.
My request that kindly ask your teachers to read the National Education Policy. We have been given training again and again, so they
ma'am.
should all know about it.
Sure, ma'am. We have already conducted
I think that's yeah.
we have
Just
already
this
conducted 2 trainings
education
for.
policy,
Yeah, ma'am.
and also look after your girl child. The girls, why? Because toilets must be covered all the time. They are growing children.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Actually, we restrict our girls' childs do not move at that area because we are in inspection. That's why I'm able to enter that area. Otherwise, no one is allowed to enter that area.
And do you have a medical room?
Ma'am, that is a separate box, but we don't have a specially medical room.
But
Okay,
you
that's
may
it.
have a,
We have complete medical kits, ma'am, and we have a one. Actually, we for girls we just allotted the responsibility to Kalpana and Lakshmi. For girls and boys, Anubhav and Mr. Shivam Shukla will handle the boys if there is any kind of medical casualties or other part. So boys will handle in a exam cell and the girls will tackle in a music room, or if they require some other room, we have a director room. We just close it there.
It is not about handling. It is about if there is, you want to make lie down, there should be in a place, a bed, a proper kit which is under lock and key. And there is
Okay,
some,
ma'am.
even if it's a teacher, but there should
ma'am.
be some place where the children can be looked after, especially in, there is a severe summer, winter. So there can be tummy ache only, so you want to make him lie down. So just a suggestion that you can look into it.
Okay, we just mark it, ma'am.
sir, what about
Actually-
school counselor?
Yeah, ma'am.
School counselor.
Ma'am, she is Miss Uma.
Trained one. What's her qualification?
She's MA in psychology.
Okay. Counseling is given to children.
Yeah, ma'am, definitely. But she's not here last 1 month. Reason is ki his in-laws are admitted in hospital. So she takes leave for 1 month and she will join after 15 days. And we allow the leave. Reason is ki the schools are completely closed. No
Yeah.
child in a school area. So we allowed the leave. Ki no issue. You just take a leave.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, ma'am. Anything else, Augustine, ma'am? Because we have to do the filling. The sir will exit, I think.
Yeah, I think it's fine. Everything is covered up properly. You have shown us the correct video and everything is covered well. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Can I
Thank-
exit, ma'am?
Yeah, you can exit. Thank
Okay,
you so
thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Thank
so much, ma'am.
much. And all your staff.
Bye, Sandeep.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah, ma'am. You give a lot of comfort to everybody by your smiling.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, ma'am,
Yes.
like there is this details that we have to fill. So, how do we go about it?
Ma'am, one doubt. We are recording this thing. No, now I think we can stop it.
Yeah, yeah. And then we can do the, yes, you're right, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Stop recording. Thank you.